What's up, my royals? What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back. Y'all, I'm back at it again with another video, okay? In today's video, as y'all can read from the title, I don't know if y'all can hear me because I have my air conditioner on, literally right here. Right. Yeah, it's right there. So, I don't know, I'm gonna try to like mute the sound kinda so y'all can kinda hear me still. But in today's video is going to be a BOXYCHARM unboxing. No, I'm not doing any makeup because I have to get up for work in 3 hours and some change. Okay, because it's 12 o'clock at night right now and I have to get up at like 4 in the morning to start getting ready for work. It's a lot of stuff that's going on, but y'all bear with me, like for real, bear with me. I've been trying to work on getting my car, so that's why I've kind of been distant from YouTube, if you've noticed. Yeah, sure, I uploaded 2 previous videos, but those were like recorded last week, but I'm trying to get my car right now, yeah, I've just been doing nothing but overtime and I have no days off. Like, I've been working overtime for 2 weeks now. I only have 1 day off for these past 2 weeks. And yeah, catch y'all up on some stuff that's been going on. That's what I've been doing. I just got off work now and I got this in the mail. So I'm like, let me open it up to see if I got the stuff that I wanted, because I did see the previews and the sneak peeks and stuff and I want certain things. If this is your first time watching me, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, also that bell notification right next to it, of course, to be notified for my future uploads. Y'all, we are at 800 subscribers. What? Like 200 more and we gonna be like at 1,000 subscribers. Like, and that is seriously so crazy. I've never gotten to 1,000 subscribers because I had my YouTube channel for a while now, but that's besides the point. Don't forget to also follow me on all social media. That is at jheart_, that's Instagram and Twitter, and also on Snapchat at codename mystery, and jheart should pop up and my code will be right here as well. And also little icons will appear throughout the video to let y'all know, like, what my username is for each of them. So of course, with that being said, you guys, go, let's just get into this BOXYCHARM unboxing.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination. Let your mind.
So when you first get BOXYCHARM, I've been getting BOXYCHARM for about like 5 or 4 months now, and I got a couple of boxes laying around here that I just stuffed. Like, this old BOXYCHARM box is full of lashes, so that's what I did with this one. Like, I just put them to use, as like easier cartridges and stuff. So also I want to yes, I got the Lights and Drag palette by Manny MUA in the mail, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks, and I have not yet to play with it, but I did swatch it. And the swatches are pretty okay. They're pretty good. They're pretty okay. But yeah, a video will be coming soon about this palette, y'all. So back to the BOXYCHARM. So what the hell? I'm about to take this blade and we're about to pop it open. Hopefully I get the stuff that I wanted, because I did get a sneak peek, and hopefully I get the shit that I wanted. So it comes with it comes with the card right here, which is what kind of box? Oh, here it is. This is it right here. It's Caribbean Queen. That's the theme of this BOXYCHARM, and I'm about to just hold it up so I cannot see. And the first thing right here that I see right here, ooh, it's a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by, so it's a body cream that helps tighten and smooth skin, I guess. It's like a face cream. I guess it's by Burt's. I don't know if it's by Burt's. I don't know. So comes kind of sealed. Ooh, oh my god. This smells like you ever smelled like cream, like a cream puff or something? That's what this smells like. It smells so good. Oh my god. And I'm going to scrape off the excess so I can get all this products. And I cannot wait to try this. I'm actually going to try this tomorrow when I wake up for work. So I will definitely tell y'all how I feel about this. So the next thing that I'm grabbing right here are some brushes from Luxie. I've never gotten brushes from Luxie before. I heard Luxie blushes. I heard Luxie brushes are really good. From XO Nico here on YouTube, he tells me that they're pretty good, and I actually got some to try out. So I guess this brush, this could be like this is a dual fiber foundation brush, I'm guessing. Like you could just use this to blend out your foundation or something. And these, like, this could be like a blush brush, and this could be like a setting up under your eye brush, or like to sweep off your bake or anything like that. I don't know, you could possibly use that for this. But I can't wait to try these, so I'm going to actually keep them in a box and set them right here and put them back in a box where I can actually reach for them at. So next, I'm going to liquid lip. Well, it feels like a liquid. This is the one I wanted. Oh my god. So like in the BOXYCHARM, they stated on their Instagram that you get 3 liquid lipsticks, like choices and stuff, like 3, I think. Is it 3? I don't know. I think it is 3, like 3 choices that you guys would get. One was like an Ultra liquid lipstick, which is this one right here. Another one, like some other brands that nobody fucking know about. But I got an Ultra liquid lipstick. Oh my god, y'all. Let's watch this, okay? My yellow ass arm. It's so funny, like, look at my hand, like, to my face. Like, what? This looks so pretty. Oh my god. And I heard, like, Ultra liquid lipsticks are some of the best liquid lipstick formulas. Like, so next, what else? We have a couple stuff in here. Whoa. Batting on. These are some eyelashes from Battington lashes. Oh, they're really cute. Look at these. They're really cute and like kind of natural looking. So let's just keep moving to the next products, which is Jante Blue. A lip liner? A dark brown lip liner. Oh my god. Y'all, I needed one of these. This is a dark brown lip. I'm so excited to try this, y'all. Let's move on to the final product that is the main attraction of this. And this is the Alamar Cosmetics palette. Oh my god, this palette is so cute. I saw Jackie Aina try this palette out in her tutorial. Ooh. And these colors look so pretty. Let's swatch these metallics. This blue is like what I'm really excited. Ooh my god, that blue. Oh my god, do y'all see this? Oh my. I'm at a loss of words. These metallics in here, y'all clearly saw, like they just came for my eyebrows, they just came for my wig. Like, I might as well just cancel this video. The video's over. The video's over because the palette just stole the show. Like they stole it from me. Like the video is no longer this is not my channel. This is Alamar Cosmetics channel. This palette is the bomb. Like, I don't know what the hell they did, but let me swatch some of these mattes too. Okay. This the one, some of these mattes are kind of, you know, chunky, but it's because I'm rubbing back and forth in them. So these are the mattes. Ooh, that brick color is so pretty. So these are the mattes. Of course, they're not going to be as pretty as the foils, because matte, you know, they have more oil in them, the foils, so of course they're going to swatch prettier. But oh my god, like, I can't wait to try this. Like, and it's so crazy how I just got this in BOXYCHARM, and I was just on Alamar Cosmetics website trying to buy one. I didn't even know they were coming in BOXYCHARM at first until I actually went on BOXYCHARM's Instagram and seen it. So yeah, y'all, this wraps up today's video of me reviewing and seeing what I got in my BOXYCHARM for the month of June, which is the Caribbean Queen box, I think. So yeah, everything up here looks like about, like, I'm going to try everything. I'm going to try a, you know, me trying out these products in a later video, but not right now. Maybe when I get a day off of me working so much, maybe when I get a day off I'll actually try it. But yeah, you guys, I have nothing else to say. I just can't wait to try this. Like, oh my god. So yeah, you guys, if this is your first time seeing me, do not forget, like, before y'all go, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps a lot. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Really help for like and support. It helps so much. It helps me. It helps my channel grow. I just checked my channel again, and we're like 812 subscribers. So definitely share this video with your family, with your friends, whoever likes makeup, like, or reviews or anything like that. Please send them to me. Like, come on, we can help each other. Like, but yeah, you guys, with that being said, I will see y'all in my next video. Have a nice and blessed